Not every neighborhood in Guatemala City is dangerous. 6th Avenue is, I've been repeatedly told by locals that if you want to have a nice walk and not worry about bad things happening, go to 6th Avenue. There's lots of food, people to look at, and it's safe. Apparently there's a lot of security, and this is a nice place to walk. So let's take a look. I'm going to show you around 6th Avenue here in Guatemala City. Nice one.